What's up there YouTube, welcome back to another video at the BM headquarters. We are going to do another video today. If you haven't already, hit the like, share and subscribe button. Today we're going to use these. We've got the LED lights and interior dash, like sponge interior wipe sort of thing. We're going to use them. We're going to clean the car because I've got to take my mum and dad out today. For their 40th anniversary present off my sister, but I'm the driver. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. So we've got to go hoover the car. Obviously we've got to clean the dash interior and stuff like that, so we're going to do that. And yeah, first things first though, I'm going to hoover the, use the interior dash stuff, but I'm going to move the car back so we can actually do some stuff in the car. So let's go and do it. So we're in the car, so I'm going to try these at what you've seen in the last video and see if it's they're any good, to be honest. Yeah, let's just get on with it. I'm going to pick a spot and we're going to try, see if they work good on their own or they're better used together. So let's just try it. So what I'm going to do first is take that off. Move all the wires out of the way. Do you remember this sticky thing? Oh, it sticks on there, that's sick. So what I'm going to do,
oh, hello Jackie.
so first we're going to try this. Just do this part with the dash. Watch. That's that side done. And then we're going to try the sponge. I don't know about this sponge, you know. So the sponge, not so great, to be honest. I reckon if I did the whole dash in the wipes and did over this, it's going to look a lot better, so I'm going to do that. Now it's time to go over it with the sponge. So the verdict is that the wipes are better straight out the bag. My dash is looking really clean now. And the sponge gives it a nice shine afterwards. So using them two in junction with each other, I think is going to work a hell of a lot better. The next step now is actually to hoover the floor, because it is a mess. So yeah, I'm going to go hoover the floor now. It's just one of them videos, guys. So that was the interior. It's all nice and clean again, nice and shiny. Quite impressed with doing the doing both of the interior, the dash wipes and the sponge together. Works really quite well. Just like the sponge just gives you that nice shine afterwards. I haven't done the steering wheel with this. Just gives it a really nice shine. It just looks new again. Well, not new, but better than it did. But there's one thing I've got to do next, and that is car scents. Now, I got these off Amazon. I think I paid $9.95 for a pack of 4, and I've got a subscription, so it comes every 4 months, because these last me about a month. They're nice little. Open them up as like the smell deteriorates, but yeah, about a month. This one's called California Cherry, and to be honest, guys, it smells like cherry bakewell. Oh, so yeah, guys, if you want to sponsor me, that'd be great, because I like this Colorado cherry. Sorry, not California cherry, but oh, it just smells good. That goes down there, and that will just nice and give the car a good smell. So now we're going to go and do the interior lights. So we are going to try and figure out how to put these in. I ain't got a clue. I really ain't. But we're going to give it a go. So I need to run it around the trim somehow. So I'm just going to get on with it, guys, and like, I'm not even going to film this because it might take me forever to figure this out. So what I'm going to do is just talk you through it afterwards, because otherwise I'm going to be here all day, and I ain't got all day, to be honest. So guys, I'll catch you in just a second. So that didn't take me as long as I thought, to be honest. I had to figure out how I was going to hide some of the wires, and there's one wire that really does my head in. The most challenging part was this little thing, because that has to be shown so the remote works. So yeah, it's Bit of a pain in the backside, but for $6.99 I can't complain. So, do you really want to see? So, there we go, nice clean floors now. Alright. And in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boy! And back there as well, you can just see it just nicely. Just gives it that little bit of extra pizzazz for the inside of the interior. Oh, yes. Loving it. Having it. Yeah, so unfortunately guys, that is it for today's video. I know it's only been a quick one, like with the 3 things that I bought the other day, but that's that. Just wanted to get the inside of the car pretty clean for when I pick up my mum and dad in a bit, because, you know, anniversary present, I don't want them to get into a smelly car and stuff like that. My car isn't smelly anyway, but it was quite dirty on the inside. But now it looks quite nice. So yeah. So guys, that is it from me today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, because there will be new stuff in the new year, and there will be another video next week, even though it is a Christmas week. Actually, will there? There might not be. Keep your eyes peeled. Over there guys, that is it from me today. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ta-ra a bit.